Yeah, well, yeah, Republicans definitely don't want you to get relief or release, because Rokita also this week is threatening to sue online porn websites. So actually, he is suing them. He's suing Pornhub's parent company and other adult websites, claiming they violated Indiana's age verification law. Now, the state law requires sites with material, quote, harmful to minors to verify users are 18 plus, leading Pornhub to block access in Indiana rather than collect IDs. Rokita argues that geo-blocking is insufficient and that sites must also block VPNs and other tools that mask users' locations. The lawsuit claims adult sites violated both the age verification law and Indiana's Deceptive Consumer Sales Act by allowing potential workarounds. Now, privacy and civil liberties advocates warn the logic could extend far beyond porn, threatening VPN use, online anonymity, and digital privacy more broadly. That's my concern. If you can't use a VPN to hide your location, this is how they eventually wind up cracking down on dissidents. And folks in foreign countries with authoritarian governments rely on VPNs to get accurate outside information. We talked about the authoritarianism of this administration up at the top. That is a potential thing I worry about. But just looking at it from the public health and the pornography standpoint, now, Maria, your kids, couple years, they're around my kid's age. How do you have that conversation with them? Because obviously this stuff is out there. And I'm out here arguing that we shouldn't have these age verification laws because they're a mess, and how do you implement them? But still, I mean, especially for young boys, they get the wrong idea looking at pornography online. How do you broach that subject with the kids?
And let me just say, young boys and young girls get the wrong.
Absolutely.
Right. So, again, root of the problem, conditions and that you're creating in your home, in your family, in your parenting. I don't trust the internet, but I trust my kids because I know, what we've talked about. I know what I continue to talk about incessantly to their, but so for me, it's not necessarily talking specifically about porn. I will say I personally am not against sex work. Again, it's having those conversations about being respectful, getting consent, talking about what having those conversations between potential partners and whatnot. It's not necessarily about porn, because if you say don't look at porn, they're like, what's porn? And they're going to go look at it. And so but also it's out there, and you can't not. Again, that's something that access to it you can't control. And I will say, in that article, it was interesting to me the way the article was written, that the Attorney Rokita's office said that they had internal investigators were able to log in.
Yes.
And I was
I saw this.
Are you trying to head off some leak or whatever, that porn was being accessed from that office? I said what I said.
Well, yeah. Hey, we actually have a rash of that going around Indiana lately. There was this investigation into the lieutenant governor's office, Micah Beckwith, that they were watching AI deep fake revenge porn in their office.